Tired of waiting? Fed up with maintenance? Do you wish your water could be the last thing on your mind? LifeSource Water Systems can help. Our whole house water systems transform your tap water into delicious filtered water that flows from every faucet and shower in your home. Our unique blend of activated carbon is tested and certified to filter out chlorine, chloramines, and dirt, returning your tap water to its natural state. Whole house water systems are installed at the water main, so all the water that flows through your home is filtered, conditioned, and protected from harmful bacteria, viruses, and cysts. Keep beneficial minerals in your water and solve hard water problems without using salt or chemicals. Don't get stuck with the hassle of other filtration systems. With LifeSource Water, there is zero maintenance, no monthly exchange tanks, and no worrying about replacing filters in your refrigerator, sinks, and showers. Drink, soak, clean, and cook with high-quality water from every tap. LifeSource Water. Taste and feel the difference.